saw him. Right over here.
Man,
Come on.
you need more beer. Here, I'll open you up one.
Well.
Oh, the battery's dead.
Oh.
Oh, man.
That's why it turned off. Oh, doggy beer can.
Wait, hello? Hello? I'm not talking. Are you too drunk, man?
I hope that was the beer. Yeah, it was the beer. Well, might as well just wait for Bigfoot to find us. You don't have a flashlight?
Well,
Just sit down here in the mud.
at least we have our gun. Kind of quiet.
Yeah, why don't you get out your bigger gun?
Sure. So if anything moves, just shoot. Got it?
Wait, but what if, like, I move?
Obviously not you. Duh!
Okay, but just hypothetically speaking.
Did you hear that? It's on firing! That!
Steve, if this is a prank, it's not funny.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not scared. Are you?
No.
Okay. It's just the... Oh my god, is that your stomach?
Yeah.
God, oh dude, I have a pack of chips. Come on.
It wasn't your stomach.
You found the magic of talking back.
Where's Bigfoot? Tell us.
It's gone shy.
Okay, maybe eat one. Where's Bigfoot? Useless.
Worth a shot. Oh, that's my stomach. Can I have that bag of chips back? Where'd you throw it?
I think I drank too
Oh,
much.
here it is. Uh-oh. Sucks, bro. You mean to, like, give you a ride home or anything? I'm totally fine. Oh, I seem to have vomited in my mouth.
Worst initiation week ever.